Welcome to another exciting episode of Past to Plate, where we explore the fascinating stories behind our favorite foods. Have you ever bitten into a sweet, juicy apricot and wondered where this tasty fruit comes from? In lands where time spun tales untold, blossomed fruits of amber and gold. Ancient apricots, a treasure to behold, in history's pages, their stories unfold. Today, we're diving into the world of apricots, has not only tantalized taste buds throughout the ages but also packs a powerful punch of nutrients, the humble apricot. Please watch my video to the end for healthy DIY and my jokes. In China's embrace, where dynasties rise, apricots bloomed, 'neath vast azure skies. Emperor's delight, a royal prize, golden orbs that mesmerize. Let's take a trip down the historical lane. Apricots, believed to have originated in China more than 4,000 years ago. Apricots were revered as the nectar of the gods by ancient Greeks. These golden treasures spread along the Silk Road, finding their way into the hands of traders, explorers, and royalty. Silk Road whispers, a journey begun, from east to west, basking in the sun. Mediterranean allure, a course to run, ancient apricots, a gift to be won. This delectable fruit quickly found its way into the hearts and orchards of ancient Greeks. Legends suggest that the Romans were so enamored with apricots that they dubbed them precious golden eggs. Imagine having apricots as symbols of wealth and fertility. Roman generals would bring back apricot seedlings from their campaigns and plant them in their gardens as status symbols. Today, we can all enjoy these golden gems. Apricots were revered as the fruit of kings in ancient times and were even forbidden to common folk. Now, fast forward to the Renaissance, where apricots became a sought-after delight in European courts. But how did they become the darlings of monarchs and artists alike? Silk Road whispers, a journey begun, from east to west, basking in the sun. Mediterranean allure, a course to run, ancient apricots, a gift to be won. Picture this. The vibrant courts of Renaissance Europe, where apricots became a symbol of luxury and sophistication. Renowned artists like Raphael and Caravaggio immortalized these succulent fruits in their masterpieces. Renaissance courts, where artists dream, apricot hues in each sunbeam. Caravaggio's canvas, a fruity gleam, a royal feast, a timeless theme. The English word apricot comes from the Latin term precocum, meaning precociously early fruit, since apricots ripen earlier than other summer fruits. Apricots were brought to North America by Spanish missionaries in the 1700s. But what makes apricots truly intriguing is not just their rich history, it's their incredible impact on our well-being. Health benefits. Apricots are rich in antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and quercetin, which help neutralize free radicals in the body. This can potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases and slow down the aging process. High in fiber. Apricots contain dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. Fiber also promotes a feeling of fullness, which may contribute to weight management and overall digestive health. Heart health. The potassium content in apricots supports heart health by helping regulate blood pressure. Eye health. Apricots are a good source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, particularly in low light conditions, and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Bone health. Apricots contain important minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. These minerals, along with vitamin K, contribute to bone mineralization and may help prevent osteoporosis. Blood health. The iron content in apricots plays a role in maintaining healthy blood and preventing anemia. Adequate iron intake is crucial for the production of red blood cells, which transport oxygen throughout the body. Dry apricots, including them in your diet, may help with weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in apricots contribute to skin health by promoting collagen production and protecting the skin from damage caused by UV rays and environmental factors. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some compounds in apricots, such as quercetin and catechins, have anti-inflammatory properties. These may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Nutrient-rich, a healthful embrace, vitamins dance, a vibrant grace. Fiber weaves, in each apricot trace, ancient wisdom in a sweet, small space. Next time you see apricots fresh at the farmer's market or even dried as a convenient on-the-go snack, adding just a few apricots to your day is a tasty way to boost your fruit intake and your health. Recipe: grilled apricot and quinoa salad. Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, rinsed, 2 cups water or vegetable broth, 6 ripe apricots, halved and pitted. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 cup arugula, 1/4 cup feta cheese crumbled, 1/4 cup almonds, toasted and chopped. Fresh mint leaves for garnish. Instructions: prepare the quinoa. In a medium saucepan, combine the rinsed quinoa and water or vegetable broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for 15–20 minutes, or until quinoa is cooked and water is absorbed. Fluff with a fork and let it cool. Grill the apricots. Preheat your grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. Brush apricot halves with olive oil and place them on the grill. Grill for 3–4 minutes or until you get grill marks and the apricots are slightly softened. Remove from the grill and set aside. Prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, and pepper. Assemble the salad. In a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, grilled apricots, arugula, and crumbled feta cheese. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine. Garnish and serve. Top the salad with toasted almonds and fresh mint leaves for a burst of flavor and crunch. Enjoy the grilled apricot and quinoa salad as a refreshing and nutritious side dish or a light main course. This healthy apricot recipe not only satisfies your taste buds, but also provides a wholesome combination of protein, fiber and vitamins. Beneath the boughs of history's tree, apricots whisper tales so free. A taste of time, a jubilee, ancient apricots, in dance of glee. Now it is time for my apricot jokes. Who is apricot's closest cousin? A peach. What are similarities between an apricot and a peach? They both have pits. Who is apricot's favorite dog? A pit bull. Who is apricot's favorite actor? Pit Brad. Who is apricot's grandfather? An old pitted prune. Why did the apricot challenge the peach to a duel? It wanted to prove it was the strongest pit in town. What did apricot said to a peach when it lost at the duel? Don't feel so pity. What apricot did when he was dropped into a jam jar? Apricot broke it into many pits and pieces. Why did apricot start a comedy club? It wanted to show off its pit fully. Good laugh. Stay very happy and healthy. Keep enjoying the journey from past to plate. See you in Nature's Gems next episode. Please watch my next healing, nutritious video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.